One of my most popular videos is Lessons Learned Meeting, how to make it excellent. But how do you capture those lessons learned in a structured log? The good news is that a lessons learned log is simple. It could even be just a set of pages in a physical notebook. You can use a table in Word or Pages or Google Docs. But I prefer a simple spreadsheet. That's how I'm going to describe it, but creating your own lessons learned log in another tool is pretty much the same. First, open a new spreadsheet and give it a name. Next, create a title block for your lessons learned log. This should contain things like Lessons Learned Log, the name of the project, and a project code if it has one, the name of the project manager, and maybe the project sponsor. Next, set out the log itself in the form of a table. Column 1 should be a unique ID for each lesson learned. And column 2 can be a date for when that lesson was recorded. Next, I like to record the author of that lesson learned. And then have a column for a short form title for the lesson. But that title is not enough, so in column 5, let's leave enough space for a thorough description of that lesson learned. Next, you also need plenty of space for the recommended actions that arise from the lesson. Now you might want some sort of importance or impact rating. Let's keep this simple. I like to stick to something like high, medium, and low. But you might want something else. For example, you might want to include urgency as another column. The next one is important to me. Wherever you have an action that you need to take, you should also allocate an owner who is responsible for taking that action. This is your basic lessons learned log, but you may also want to create a number of columns to track progress on the actions that arise from your lessons learned. To keep it simple, I suggest the next column simply refers to what has been done in response to the lesson learned. You may want a column for when that action was completed, and another column to track the impact that that action had. Of course, that action may not have delivered all the benefits you were hoping for, so you may want another column for further recommended actions, and possibly assigning another owner to those. But one thing I do like to track is whether each action is open or closed. Creating a lessons learned log for your project is not difficult. And once you've created one, you can evolve that lessons learned log based on how you like to use it and the needs of the different projects you work on. My top tip, though, is to keep it as simple as you can, but to include everything that you need to track and take benefits of the lessons you learn from your projects so that you and your team members and colleagues can improve and develop in your project careers. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be creating loads more great project management videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of them. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.